Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting focus to one of the most popular middleweight naked bikes on the market, the new 2026 Yamaha MT-07. Known for its sharp styling, responsive performance, and unbeatable value, the MT-07 has built a loyal fan base worldwide. For 2026, Yamaha refines this iconic machine with fresh design elements, improved tech, and even more engaging ride dynamics. Let's dive into what makes the latest MT-07 stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 MT-07 carries forward the aggressive Streetfighter attitude with a slightly reworked front end featuring slimmer LED lighting and a more sculpted tank. Yamaha refines the body panels for a cleaner, tighter look while maintaining the signature MT identity. New color schemes and lightweight wheel options give riders more ways to match the bike to their personality. Performance and powertrain. Powering the MT-07 is the trusted 689cc CP2 engine, still delivering smooth torque and lively acceleration. For 2026, Yamaha enhances throttle response and updates the exhaust system for better efficiency and a deeper note. The chassis remains agile, with subtle suspension tuning that improves stability without sacrificing the playful handling the MT-07 is known for. Safety and technology. The new MT-07 gains a larger TFT display with smartphone connectivity, offering an easier interface for navigation and notifications. Refined traction control and improved ABS provide added confidence, especially for newer riders. Yamaha's updated electronics package ensures the bike feels more modern and intuitive on every ride. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha MT-07 strengthens its position as a top choice in the naked segment, blending style, performance, and smart upgrades. Whether carving through traffic or hitting weekend twisties, this MT-07 is built to thrill. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates, reviews, and first looks at the machines shaping the riding world.